Hello everyone. Article 15 of our Constitution speaks about prohibition of discrimination on certain grounds. This is also a part of right to equality. It says prohibition of discrimination on grounds of. There are the grounds listed. Article 15 subclause 1 says the state shall not discriminate against any citizen on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth or any of them. So, the citizen shall not be discriminated on these grounds. It lists the grounds of prohibition of discrimination against any citizen. Subclause 2 of Article 15 says that no citizen on the same grounds, that is on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth, shall be subject to any disability, liability, restriction or condition. With regard to what? With regard to access to shops, access to public restaurants, access to hotels, access to places of public entertainment or use of wells, tanks, bathing ghats, roads, places of public resort which are maintained wholly or partly out of state funds or dedicated to the use of general public. So, this is an exhaustive article. It speaks about the prohibitions from discrimination, that is the prohibition of discrimination to any citizen. So, no citizen shall be subject to any liability or restriction. Secondly, it speaks about the specific things where any citizen can enter, he can have access. It may be a public restaurant, it may be a hotel, it may be a place of public entertainment. Or when a person uses these things, wells, tanks, bathing ghats, roads or places of public resort, there shall be no discrimination and everyone shall have access and use of this. But the condition is that these should be maintained wholly or partly out of state funds or they should be dedicated to the use of general public. This is 15 subclause 2. 15 subclause 3 and 15 subclause 4 are the exceptions to these two rules, that is the general rule that discrimination shall not be permitted on certain grounds. Here under 15 subclause 3, it says that nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provisions, any special provisions for women and children. That means, it does not mean that we are discriminating against women and children when the state makes a particular provision to protect the women or to protect the children, when there are special laws made for children or when there are certain laws made for women. For example, there is a Maternity Relief Act where a woman is protected who is going to have a child. Children, there are special laws for children, there are special things provided, special facilities provided. So, these are allowed under 15 subclause 3 and it does not say that they are discriminated, but for their purpose of advancement or their protection it is allowed. So, this is a special provision. Again, coming to Article 15 subclause 4, the exception is that the state, when we say that it shall not discriminate on the grounds of caste or class, when we say that, here it says that nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making special provisions for the advancement of socially and educationally backward classes or scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. So, when the state makes special provisions for backward classes, which classes are socially backward or which are educationally backward, it is permitted under Article 15 subclause 4. Also, when the state makes particular provisions for the protection of scheduled castes or for advancement of scheduled tribes or scheduled castes, then these are permitted and it does not mean that they are discriminated by the state. So, these two articles are an exception to the general provisions which is there in Article 15. So, as a total we can see that Article 15 is a complete article which gives protection from discrimination on certain grounds. The grounds are 5: religion, race, caste, sex and place of birth. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you have liked it, please share it with anyone who you think would be interested. Please leave your comments and I would be happy to reply to them. Do subscribe to get more information on everyday law and legal studies. Thank you.